Have you ever noticed that the very thing you rely on for energy might actually be the reason you feel tired later? For so many of us, especially after 60, the first thing we reach for in the morning is a hot cup of coffee. It feels like that steaming mug is the only thing that can wake us up, give us the strength to start the day, and keep us moving. But what if I told you that coffee might actually be draining your energy, not fueling it? What if I told you that there's another drink, completely natural, inexpensive, and much gentler on your body, that gives you longer-lasting energy, sharper focus, and even supports your heart, joints, and memory better than coffee ever could? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to learn about a simple morning drink that can change the way you feel every single day after 60. And trust me, once you try it, you may never look at coffee the same way again. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel because here we share simple but powerful health secrets to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier in your golden years. Now let's get started. Begins with understanding why coffee isn't always the best friend we think it is. For decades, coffee has been marketed as the miracle drink that wakes you up and keeps you going. And yes, in the short term, caffeine does give you a quick burst of alertness. But after 60, your body changes in ways that make caffeine much harder to handle. Your metabolism slows down, meaning that caffeine stays in your system longer, often leading to jitters, anxiety, and poor sleep at night. Poor sleep, in turn, makes you even more tired the next day, so you wake up reaching for yet another cup of coffee. It's a vicious cycle. Coffee also acts as a diuretic, which means it pulls water from your body. And dehydration is already a big problem for older adults, since our sense of thirst decreases with age. Being even slightly dehydrated can leave you feeling sluggish, dizzy, or weak. On top of that, caffeine interferes with how your body absorbs some key nutrients like calcium and magnesium that are crucial for strong bones and muscles after 60. So, while coffee might give you a quick kick, it doesn't give you sustainable, healthy energy. Instead, it often sets you up for an energy crash, nutrient depletion, and even long-term sleep problems. Introduces the idea of replacing coffee with a more natural, energizing morning drink. Imagine starting your day with something that gently wakes up your system, hydrates you, boosts circulation, and provides steady energy without the crashes, jitters, or sleepless nights. One of the most powerful and overlooked morning drinks is warm lemon water with a touch of ginger. This simple drink works like magic for people over 60. The lemon provides vitamin C, which not only strengthens your immune system, but also helps your body absorb iron more effectively, supporting healthy blood flow and energy production. The ginger adds a warming effect that stimulates digestion, reduces inflammation in your joints, and supports circulation to give you a natural feeling of vitality. And because this drink hydrates your body right from the start, it immediately corrects the subtle dehydration that coffee often makes worse. The result is energy that feels smoother, cleaner, and far more sustainable throughout the day. Seniors who switch to this drink often report that they not only feel more awake in the morning, but their energy lasts longer into the afternoon, their digestion improves, and they sleep better at night because they are not relying on caffeine to push through fatigue. Continues by looking at what happens inside your body when you start replacing coffee with something gentler and more nourishing. After 60, our energy doesn't just depend on caffeine jolts. It depends on how well our cells can produce and use energy throughout the day. Coffee stimulates the nervous system, but it doesn't actually feed your cells. That's why the energy feels fake. It's like pushing the accelerator in a car with no fuel in the tank. You move fast for a little while, but then you sputter out. On the other hand, drinks like warm lemon ginger water, herbal teas, or even nutrient-packed smoothies actually supply your cells with hydration, antioxidants, and minerals that help them produce real energy. Think of it this way. Instead of borrowing energy on credit and paying for it with fatigue later, you're giving your body cash in hand, fuel it can actually use. That's why many seniors notice that once they switch, they no longer feel that desperate mid-morning crash that forces them to reach for another cup of coffee or a sugary snack. Their body feels steadier, their mood is calmer, and their energy is real, not borrowed. Dives deeper into one of the hidden problems coffee creates after 60 that many people never talk about: its effect on blood pressure and the heart. As we age, our cardiovascular system becomes more sensitive. The walls of our blood vessels can stiffen, our circulation slows, and our risk of high blood pressure naturally increases. Caffeine causes a temporary spike in blood pressure and heart rate, which might not be a big deal when you're young, but after 60, it can add unnecessary stress to an already aging heart. Over time, this repeated stimulation can actually make fatigue worse because your body is constantly trying to recover from the strain. By contrast, starting the morning with a gentle, heart-friendly drink like lemon and ginger water supports your blood vessels instead of stressing them. The vitamin C in lemon helps maintain the elasticity of your arteries, while ginger improves blood circulation and reduces inflammation in the lining of your blood vessels. This means you're not just getting energy, you're protecting your heart and giving your body a foundation for long-term vitality. And here's the best part. When your heart is supported, every part of your body feels the benefit, from your brain to your muscles to your joints. That's why seniors who make this simple switch often say they feel younger, lighter, and more stable throughout the day, without the roller coaster of highs and lows that coffee brings. Focuses on digestion, one of the most overlooked areas when it comes to coffee and aging. Many seniors already deal with slower digestion, acid reflux, or stomach sensitivity, and coffee is one of the biggest irritants for these conditions. It increases stomach acid, which can lead to heartburn, bloating, or even that uncomfortable burning sensation after meals. Over time, this constant irritation can reduce nutrient absorption, meaning that even if you're eating healthy foods, your body may not be taking in everything it needs. This is especially concerning after 60 because nutrient deficiencies can directly impact your energy, your bones, and your immune system. By starting the day with a soothing, digestion-friendly drink instead of coffee, you give your gut a chance to heal. Warm lemon water helps stimulate gentle digestion without harshness, and herbal teas like chamomile or fennel can calm the stomach lining. This means you're not only avoiding irritation, you're improving the way your body absorbs vitamins and minerals. And when your digestion works better, your whole body feels more alive. Imagine going through your day without that heavy, bloated feeling, or without worrying that your morning drink will trigger discomfort. That simple shift alone can dramatically improve quality of life after 60. Dives into something many people overlook: sleep quality. Seniors often struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, and while many blame aging itself, coffee can be a major hidden culprit. Even if you drink it in the morning, caffeine lingers in your system for hours, sometimes up to 8 or more. That means by the time night falls, your body is still partially wired, making it harder to fall into the deep, restorative sleep that is crucial for healing, memory, and energy. Poor sleep then creates a vicious cycle. You wake up tired, reach for more coffee to get through the day, and the cycle repeats. Breaking this pattern by switching to caffeine-free morning drinks is one of the most powerful changes you can make. Seniors who replace coffee with gentle, nourishing options often notice within days that their sleep improves. They fall asleep faster, they stay asleep longer, and they wake up feeling refreshed instead of groggy. That deeper rest doesn't just give you more energy, it supports your brain, your mood, your immune system, and even your balance and coordination. In fact, some doctors argue that improving sleep is one of the most effective anti-aging strategies, and the simple act of letting go of coffee is one of the easiest ways to make it happen. So by changing what you drink in the morning, you're not just changing your energy during the day, you're transforming your rest at night. Focuses on brain health, something every senior deeply cares about. After 60, protecting memory, focus, and clarity becomes one of the biggest priorities. And here's the truth. Coffee may give a short burst of alertness, but it doesn't nourish the brain for the long term. In fact, constant spikes and crashes from caffeine can strain the nervous system, leaving the brain more fatigued than energized. Over time, too much caffeine can even increase feelings of anxiety, jitters, or forgetfulness. What the brain truly thrives on are steady nutrients and calm energy that support nerve function and blood flow. For example, green tea contains a compound called L-theanine, which works alongside its gentle caffeine to promote relaxation and mental clarity at the same time. Turmeric tea, with its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, can help protect brain cells from age-related decline. Even a warm cup of cocoa made with real dark cacao provides flavonoids that have been shown to improve memory and mood. By choosing these natural, brain-loving drinks in the morning, seniors aren't just waking up. They're actively protecting their most valuable organ. Imagine being able to read, focus, and remember things more easily, not just for today, but for years to come. That's the kind of energy that lasts far beyond what a cup of coffee can provide. Highlights something equally important: the heart. Coffee, especially in large amounts, can raise blood pressure, increase heart rate, and in some cases, trigger irregular rhythms. For seniors who may already be managing blood pressure or heart concerns, this daily habit can quietly add risk without them even realizing it. The morning drink you choose can either stress your heart or support it. Natural alternatives like hibiscus tea, for example, have been shown in studies to gently lower blood pressure. Golden milk made with turmeric and a splash of milk has anti-inflammatory properties that protect blood vessels. Even simple warm water with a touch of honey and ginger supports circulation without strain. These are heart-friendly choices that don't just wake you up, they protect your cardiovascular system with every sip. And because your heart is your body's engine, protecting it means protecting your independence, your strength, and your ability to live fully every day. Seniors who shift from coffee to these heart-supporting drinks often say they feel calmer, steadier, and more balanced, not just in their energy, but in their emotions as well. That's because when the heart is supported, the whole body feels safer and stronger. Is all about digestion and gut health, which becomes more delicate after 60. Many seniors don't realize that their morning coffee could actually be irritating their stomach lining, triggering acid reflux, or speeding up digestion in ways that leave them uncomfortable later in the day. Over time, these small discomforts add up, and what started as a morning ritual can become a hidden source of bloating, heartburn, or bathroom struggles. The good news is that switching to soothing drinks can calm and strengthen digestion instead of stressing it. Warm lemon water. First thing in the morning gently awakens the digestive system, supporting liver detox and balancing acidity. Ginger tea not only reduces inflammation but also helps with nausea and bloating, leaving the stomach comfortable and ready for food. Even something as simple as chamomile tea provides a calm foundation, relaxing the gut while also supporting better sleep the night before. These choices don't just make mornings easier, they help the entire digestive system work more smoothly throughout the day, which directly supports energy, immunity, and overall comfort. Seniors who make this switch often say they feel lighter, less bloated, and more in control of their daily health. Turns the spotlight to something equally powerful: mood and emotional balance. Coffee may give a quick spike of alertness, but it can also trigger mood swings, irritability, or restlessness, especially in older adults who are more sensitive to caffeine. Over time, this constant cycle of highs and lows can affect not just the body but the spirit, making mornings feel rushed and jittery instead of calm and empowering. Natural drinks, on the other hand, can help create steady, uplifting moods that carry through the day. For example, green tea provides a balanced, calm, alert state that reduces anxiety instead of increasing it. Golden milk, with turmeric and a pinch of cinnamon, supports serotonin production, which boosts happiness and reduces feelings of sadness or fatigue. Even a simple herbal tea like lavender or peppermint can bring peace to the mind, helping seniors start their mornings not just with energy, but also with calm confidence. Imagine waking up and sipping a drink that leaves you feeling not only awake, but also centered, ready to enjoy the day without stress or tension. That's the kind of emotional support that natural drinks can offer, something coffee simply can't match. So the truth is clear. After 60, your body and mind deserve something far better than coffee. You don't need that short, jittery burst anymore. What you truly need is steady energy, strong digestion, calm moods, and natural balance. These morning drinks give you exactly that, without the crashes, without the discomfort, and without the hidden risks. Imagine starting your mornings with a calm smile instead of a racing heartbeat, with a stomach that feels light and a mind that feels sharp. That's the gift you can give yourself every single day. And if this video helped you discover something new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we have so many more simple but powerful health secrets waiting for you right here. Let's continue this journey together, one healthy morning at a time.